Good morning, friends. So, today again I came back in front of all of you as usual. Today I am going to narrate another story and hope that the ethic, the sense of this story will attract to you much more because this story is about a failure was going to failure, but the perseverance, but the hard work, but the inbelievness in self given to the success. And today the company honor, the company is across the world, and lot of income and spend is ongoing right now. So I am going to narrate here through this little bit sentences and hope that you will try to understand the ethic of this story. This story is about a owner of Panasonic company. What was the age of that person and why he thought about to build to these things, and what is reputation today of this company? I am going to narrate here through this little bit sentences. Company owner name is Konusuke Matsushita. Konusuke Matsushita. He was nearly 9 years old at that moment. He left his schooling education. He was merely in class of second or third, and he left to the schooling education. And he started the job with a small company, and there was building of a socket of the bulb. This was the production of in that company. So this reason he involved in that and he started earning, because the family of that person was facing lot of struggle. So this reason he understood that it is not good thing for me to understand to go for study, and my family cannot survive in this situation, cannot give the money for education. So what should I do, what will I have to do? This should be good idea for earning the money. So this reason he went for the earning and started earning in that bulb socket company. And after returning from the office work, he started reading. Always he used to study after from office work. And when he was merely 23-year old, at that moment an idea generated in his mind, and a proposal he made about the socket and showed to his boss. But his boss rejected to that proposal and said it is a very dull idea, it is a very negative effect for the company, I cannot implement to your idea, so don't show it. It was the humiliation of that honor to this person. But this person was having the believeness, having the real believeness, faithfulness in his self. So this reason he didn't quit to this idea and was started thinking about generate socket which was implemented, which was generated by his idea. But he was very poor, he was very having little bit money. So how can he build to the company, how can he build a organization for the production of bulb socket? So this reason he was little bit panic, and he asked for the help for other person. But every colleague, every friend rejected to it and said you are illiterate person and you are not having sufficient money, and organizing a company having lot of money is requirement, and you are not having to those criteria, you are not fulfilling to those criteria. So why are you going there? It's your stable job, you are earning here good money, so why are you going? After some time, after the year passed by, and he earned some money, and then thought to build his own company, and he started to building his own company in his only where he was living in that particular home. He and his wife was accompany, his wife was employee, you can say, in that company. He started to this, and after 5 6 months later he did not get any order for the selling of that socket of bulb. So this reason he was very panic, he was very disappointed, because after 5 and 6 months later he is not getting any order. All the money, all the accessories which he was having, he has sold for establishing this company and he didn't get. So this reason, and he was taking lot of borrow from his family, from his colleagues, so how he can repay to those money. So this reason it was very worrying thing for that person. So this reason he was about to quit this idea, he was about to quit this building company, but again he thought, now I should go once for again for making this socket building, maybe any opportunity in future. And he spent more 1 year in that sector. Again he started the work again in his company rebuilding of bulb socket. And after some time, now he got order of 1000 piece of bulb socket. It was very delightful moment, it was very auspicious moment for that person, for his and his wife, because after long time, and it was nearly to close the organization, he was thinking about it, but merely he got the order and he started the working again for his company. And today this company is known about the name of Panasonic, and owner is Konosuke Matsushita. This is the name of owner company, and he built to this infrastructure from his home to this across world. So this was the journey of this person. He was going to totally bankrupted. He had taken a lot of borrow from his family, from his friends, but not getting order. But so this reason he was very panic, but he was having faithfulness, he was having the believeness in himself, he was having the idea perfect in his mind. So this reason he was again and again, after get failure, he was doing for his aim, he was doing for his vision, and finally he got success. So always think one point in your mind, after the opinion of other person, don't think that this may be the disrupting thing, it may be the negativity for me if I am doing to it. But if your believeness is saying that it will be good, it can rotate your life, it can rotate your circumstances, then do to that thing. Don't believe in other person. What is your internal thinking, what is your internal node, try to understand, give priority first to that. If that person would had not did to this idea, had not played this role today, then the Panasonic where would be, it would not be here, because he was idea generated by that person, and company owner had rejected to this idea, rejected to the proposal of implementing in bulb socket. But he invented in his mind and form a new organization, and today is across the world, lot of employee, lot of the persons is working in that company. And he was totally uneducated person, not having the fulfill money for the establishing the money. After that he went for that and he got success, and today he is a ideal for all other the persons. So believe in yourself. What is your idea, what is your notions, what is your abstract idea, think about that and have perseverance for your work. Hope that you will get success after doing to this. In first time, after starting the time, you will get lot of hassles, lot of burdens will come, no doubt in this, it will come, but your idea, your plan will change your lifestyle one day. This is sure and certain. But till then you will have to carry on yourself, you will have to keep carry on yourself. Hope that you will try to understand the ethic of this story. Tomorrow again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.